Hello and welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to change the rocker or valve cover gasket on a BMW Z4 with the M54 engine. First you want to start by taking off the little tabs that cover the bolts on the engine covers. Below you'll see a 10mm nut and bolt securing these down, and at the same time take the oil filler cap off, which will be demonstrated by my glamorous assistant here. Next, take off both of these engine covers and place them safely to one side. With access to the ignition coils, unplug them by flipping up the cap on top and just pulling the plug out. Then you can remove the ignition coils themselves just by giving them a light tug and a twist. They should pop straight out. Make sure you place them somewhere in the same order that you took out so that they go back into the same cylinder. And bear in mind, on some engines they actually have bolts holding them in. Now we can start taking out the bolts on the valve cover itself, and it's best to do a spiral pattern to release the pressure on the gasket equally. Bear in mind that these two bolts here will also have wires connected from the wiring loom. Before removing the bolts completely, it's best to put the oil filler cap back on just so you don't lose any down there. We also need to take off the crankcase ventilation hose by pinching top and bottom, and then that should just pull off. So now we start taking off the wiring loom, so we need an 8mm socket just to take off these two nuts holding down the ground wires. The assembly you can just feed through under the strut brace just so it's out of the way. The O2 sensor is the last thing we need to remove from the cover, and there are just a couple of clips down here and a small little metal retaining clip. It's a bit fiddly, but it comes away nice and easily, and then you can just put that out of the way too. And after a quick check that all the bolts are out, we can just gently persuade the cover away from the engine. With the cover out, we can start removing the old seals. You have one main one that goes around the outside, and then you've got two plug seals on the middle, and there are also on the other side little grommets that go around each of the bolts. Make sure you clean down the areas where the new gasket is going to go, so along this channel that you see me cleaning here, around the plug seals as well, and of course on the engine itself. So just making sure that the surface is nice and clean, free of lubricant and any old gasket. With the areas clean, we can start putting in the new seals, so the plug seals in the center here, and then the main gasket. The cost for the plug seals, the main gasket seal, and also the grommets that go around the bolts cost me £30 in total, and they're available quite easily online. To create a longer lasting seal, I was advised to use this Worth Super RTV silicone product, which you just apply straight to the gasket itself.